I can drive if you want to.
What are you doing?
Bennett, gotta buckle up.
We gotta buckle up.
Bennett! I guess he's a big boy now.
I guess so. Look at Vector, he's gonna drive.
Oh, thanks, Vector. Good morning. Tara and I are headed over to the family lodge here at the campground. She's got some homeschool work to do, and I'm going to do some work on the laptop. It's nice having these family lodges. Most of the Thousand Trails have them, and most of them are pretty nice. It's a nice way to get away from the littles. Erin is making them lunch right now, and then hopefully they'll just kind of relax for a bit. And then we're going to go spend the afternoon and evening with Grandma, because she heads out of town tomorrow for a couple days. So let's get in this family lodge here and check it out and get all set up and get some work done. All right, looks like this one, they have a dining area here. Yeah, they do like breakfast on the weekends and they do special dinners. It does look like a cafeteria, doesn't it? So this doesn't look super comfortable for working though, so let's keep looking. Maybe there will be, oh, there's an adult lounge. I simultaneously like and dislike adult lounges because they don't allow children, but there's nobody in here, so we'll hang out in here until someone else shows up.
In here?
So don't tell anybody. Go. Just looking around. Wow, you can't even open it? There you go.
Because I'm not an adult, they don't
All right.
let people who are an adult.
Alright, we'll make sure we're the only people here. See, look at all this.
Puzzles.
You know, I know adults want to have a nice quiet space to get away, but come on.
Not right now.
Alright, so we'll set up on one of these tables over here. Oh, they have like a little, what's that, like a jacuzzi out here?
What the heck?
Is it a hot tub? What is this? What is this?
What?
Huh. Gotta figure out what that
There's
is.
a door that goes into there.
Door. What does that say?
Do all adult allergens?
Spa. It's a spa.
It's a spa.
Maximum 15 minutes. Oh, water temperature 100 to 104. That's a hot tub.
Nope, no.
That's too hot for me.
No,
All right, let's get all set up.
It's 104.
That's too hot. Okay, work and schoolwork are done. We're gonna pack up and head back over to the rig, and then we're gonna go see Grandma and have dinner. And I think Erin and Tara are gonna go down to choir practice in Hampton.
And I get to do my string art. Well, over there.
Tara's gonna do string art?
Yeah.
At Grandma's?
No.
No?
No.
Where? At choir?
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool. Why do children feel the need to walk on every wall or barrier or line or rock or whatever it is you encounter, that just have to walk on it? And fall off of it, I guess. I'm not gonna touch you. I'll be all the way over here.
Will you help me if I fall?
What?
Will you help me if I fall?
Help you if you fall?
Yeah.
I mean, I'll point and laugh. What? Isn't that helpful?
No.
No? Okay, well, then don't fall. Is she gonna make it? Dun dun dun. Oh, she fell.
I didn't do that.
Uh-huh.
I did.
Are you coming? No ball. Let's go to the playground. Go, Ben, go. Go, Ben, go.
Uh-oh.
What?
That one.
Oh, no. Is it broken?
This. Hey, look. We are the pink cups.
You are the pinkest girl ever.
Mom, you ready?
Yes.
It's hot.
Yeah.
It's a hot slide.
Woo. You have lots of jewels on today. You going somewhere fancy? Where are we going for dinner tonight?
party.
Where are we going?
Fancy party to Amy's birthday.
Not today. Are we going to Grandma's for dinner? Yeah. Who's on your shirt? Who's on your dress?
Me.
Are you gonna wear that when we go to Disney World?
Like all the days. I didn't love it.
Oh my lord.
Comedy of errors.
Dog jumped into the front.
Oh. Am I driving?
I can drive if you want to.
What are you doing?
Ben, I gotta buckle up.
We gotta buckle up.
Bennett! I guess he's a big boy now.
I guess so. Look at Vector. He's gonna drive.
Oh, thanks, Vector. We have Vector with us, so he'll be happy about that. We're gonna head down to Mom's, and Erin's gonna head down to choir practice after we have dinner.
I'm so happy.
Are you?
Yes. I love choir practice. I have missed singing this last 10, 11 months. And so the choir at the church that we used to attend, or that I used to attend, is having a concert on the 10th of November with David Haas, if you know who David Haas is. And the choir director at the church asked if I'd come and sing with the choir, and I'm super excited to do so.
How long have you been singing?
How long have I been singing? 30 some odd years.
Yeah.
My undergraduate degree, part of it was vocal performance. So I went to school to sing.
At Virginia Tech.
At Virginia Tech. I've missed singing. It's hard to do when you bounce around every couple of days or every couple of weeks to a new town, so you can't, you can't just roll up and say, hey, let me sing in the choir with you today. So it'll be nice to do that while we're here.
One thing we wanted to talk about really quick before we get to Mom's house is we have a community tab on YouTube now. So our first post on that community tab is actually a poll. We've been thinking about coming up with a themed day for each week. I think we have like Tool Talk Tuesday and Wellness Wednesday and stuff like that. So go over to the community tab here on our YouTube page and vote for which one you think we should do, and we'll start incorporating that in future weekly or daily episodes.
So we just got to the church that I've been going to since 2007, so 11 years. Joined here with my mom when we were looking for churches once Brian and I got married and we had moved to Hampton, Virginia. This was like 2 miles from our house, our first house that we lived in. And I've been singing with them since I started. We're gonna go in and do choir rehearsal, and I get to see all of my friends and sing tonight, and I'm very, very excited. Tara came along with me, and the littles and Brian are hanging out with Grandma tonight, so she's gonna do some string art while we're in here. I tried to convince her to sing with us, but she wasn't feeling it. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm so excited. Choir practice is over right at 8:30. You can hear them practicing in the background for this weekend. Tara didn't get any string art done. It was a lot more difficult than she thought it was gonna be. So she's a little sad.
I was gonna make my own. No.
Yeah, okay.
I don't make my own.
So we'll check that out tomorrow.
I don't put the pens in the same places. I just want to do different.
You want to do a different
colors.
design and different colors?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. We're gonna do the long drive home. This church, we chose it initially because it was so close to our first home that we bought here in Hampton after we got married. And I continued to come when we moved 40 minutes away in Williamsburg. But we now are staying like an hour and a half away, but I'm not gonna miss choir practice.
Can we get something like to eat or like for dessert?
Maybe. Don't tell Daddy.
Can we go to Starbucks and get some hot chocolate?
Yes. Now I gotta find a Starbucks. I don't know where Starbucks is. I never go to Starbucks. Alrighty. So we'll be coming here every Wednesday night to practice before the concert on November 10th. Kind of bummed I won't be here for Christmas because we do Christmas right here.
Did you have fun at choir?
I had a great time at choir. Did I already talk about that?
You did.
I did.
Okay, I haven't seen it yet.
Oh. I had a great time in choir.
Oh, I'm gonna go check that out.
I'm gonna go back next week.
And the week after.
And the week after.
Oh no, because that's Halloween.
That's Halloween.
Halloween's in 2 weeks, y'all. We're excited. We're gonna be back at our old neighborhood. There's lots of kids.
And friends.
And friends.
For us.
Yep, it's gonna be awesome. It's a late night. We got back, it's about 11:30 now, so might want to start editing.
Maybe.
If you haven't already asked us a question,
Do it.
that is going to be our Friday episode. So if you ask us a question in the comments of this video, we will make sure to include it on our list, and we'll sit down and record some answers tomorrow evening. So go ahead and do that, and also vote in our poll. We have a community tab now, and we have a poll up about we want to do a themed day of the week. So go ahead and hop in there and vote for what day of the week theme you think you would enjoy seeing the most. And that's about it.
I think so.
We will see you all tomorrow. Have a good night. Make sure to visit us at 5togo.com and patreon.com/5togo. And talk to you tomorrow. Bye.